Are you ready to make your door the luckiest one on the block this St. Patrick's Day? From leprechaun-inspired designs to charming wreaths and gold-filled themes, we've got the ultimate guide to turning your front door into a festive masterpiece. Stick around, and let's bring the luck of the Irish right to your doorstep. How can I make DIY St. Patrick's Day door decorations on a budget? You don't need to spend a fortune to create festive door decor. With a little creativity, you can make your door shine without breaking the bank. 1. Paper shamrock garland. Cut shamrocks from green and gold construction paper. String them together and drape them around your door frame. 2. DIY pot of gold. Use a black bucket or pot. Fill it with golden painted rocks and place it near your door with a rainbow-themed backdrop. 3. Lucky signboard. Repurpose an old wooden plank by painting it green and adding phrases like "Lucky Home" or "Follow the Rainbow" in white letters. Want more budget-friendly decor ideas? Check the description for our St. Patrick's Day DIY playlist. How can I incorporate lighting into my St. Patrick's Day door decorations? Lighting adds an enchanting touch to your St. Patrick's Day decor, especially in the evening. Here's how you can make it work. 1. Green fairy lights. Wrap green fairy lights around your door frame or wreath to create a magical, twinkling effect. 2. Mason jar lanterns. Fill mason jars with green lights or LED tea candles and line them along your doorstep. 3. Spotlights with shamrock shapes. Use outdoor spotlights with shamrock-shaped filters to project festive patterns onto your door. Brighten up your St. Patrick's Day. Drop a comment below and share your favorite lighting idea. How do I style my St. Patrick's Day door with a modern aesthetic? If you prefer a sleek and modern vibe, here's how you can style your door. 1. Minimalist wreath. Opt for a simple wreath with greenery, a touch of gold, and a subtle shamrock design. 2. Neutral color palette. Instead of bright greens, go for muted tones like sage, white, and gold for a classy, sophisticated look. 3. Geometric shamrocks. Create abstract or geometric shamrock shapes using gold and white outlines for a modern twist. Modern vibes for St. Patty's Day? Hit subscribe for more chic holiday decor ideas. What are some creative wreath ideas for St. Patrick's Day? Wreaths are a perfect way to set the mood for any holiday, and St. Patrick's Day is no exception. Here are 3 creative wreath ideas. 1. Shamrock explosion wreath. Use foam or felt shamrocks layered in different shades of green for a bold, textured look. 2. Lucky horseshoe wreath. Craft a circular wreath decorated with horseshoes, golden accents, and tiny clovers for a rustic Irish vibe. 3. Ribbon wreath. Use different green and gold ribbons, curled and arranged in a circular pattern to make a lively, eye-catching design. Love these wreath ideas? Don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decorating tips. What are some classic St. Patrick's Day door decoration ideas? When it comes to classic St. Patrick's Day decor, timeless elements like shamrocks, leprechauns, and green hues never go out of style. Here are 3 must-have ideas. 1. Shamrock wreath. Create or buy a wreath covered in shamrocks, gold coins, and green ribbons. This centerpiece will immediately set a festive tone for your door. 2. Leprechaun welcome sign. Add a wooden or fabric leprechaun-themed welcome sign with witty sayings like, "You're in luck," or "Welcome to our pot of gold." 3. Green garland. Frame your door with a green garland intertwined with string lights and golden coins for a magical glow at night. Enjoying these classic ideas? Hit that like button and share this video with your friends for some St. Patty's Day inspiration. What are some whimsical and charming door decor ideas for St. Patrick's Day? For a fun, storybook-inspired vibe, try these whimsical ideas. 1. Leprechaun door. Attach a tiny wooden door to your main door, making it look like a leprechaun has set up home there. 2. Rainbow arch. Create an arch of balloons or fabric in rainbow colors over your door. Add a pot of gold at the end for a storybook effect. 3. Luck lives here sign. Paint a wooden sign with the words "Luck lives here" and surround it with 4-leaf clovers and fairy lights. Feeling whimsical? Check the description for products featured in this video. What are some kid-friendly St. Patrick's Day door decoration ideas? Get the little ones involved in decorating with these kid-approved ideas. 1. Handprint shamrocks. Have your kids create shamrocks using green handprints on paper. Cut them out and hang them on the door. 2. Leprechaun footprints. Use green paint or stickers to create tiny leprechaun footprints leading to the door. 3. Rainbow welcome mat. Paint a rainbow pattern on an old doormat and add a pot of gold at one end for a fun and colorful entryway. Looking for more family-friendly decor tips? Check the description for more ideas. With these St. Patrick's Day door decoration ideas, your front door is guaranteed to stand out and spread some festive cheer. Whether you prefer classic designs, DIY charm, or a whimsical fairy tale vibe, there's something here for every style. Now it's time to get creative and let the luck of the Irish shine through your decorations. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration.